This Halloween wreath from Pottery inspired this project. You'll need a branch wreath, black spray paint, polypropylene folders, and LED lights with batteries for this project. The first thing to do is to paint the wreath. Before I place the folder on the mat, I'll cut the flaps. You also need to remove the pockets. Now place it in the standard grip mat. For this project I use images of bats from Cricut's library. I'll share the link to this project on my Design Space profile. To be able to use it, you need to have Cricut access. Now click on Make It, select On Mat, Continue, Continue. Select the material. I'm using a custom material. Click on Browse All Materials. If you don't know how to create a custom material, check my video about it. This material has the following settings: pressure 350, it uses the fine point blade and it will make 3 passes. Click on Done. Now load the material. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process of cutting these images took 4 minutes. Place the bats on the wreath. For some of the bats I use a piece of thread and I glue others with a glue gun. Finally, place the LED lights. I hope you like this project. If you make it, don't forget to share a picture. See you in the next video.